This is a brand new 2013 Lincoln MKZ. It features a 3.7-liter 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include adaptive cruise control, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, 11 perfectly positioned speakers, XM satellite radio, an intercooled turbocharger, big 18-inch wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, dual power seats, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, steering wheel mounted gear shifting, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, side curtain airbags, a pass-through rear seat, front and rear reading lights, performance tires, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Parks Lincoln of Longwood is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 3505 North US Highway 1792 in Longwood.